Hello friends, I welcome you all for this course Computer Networks Paper 1. This objective of the course is to make you understand different types of networks, various topologies, different types of addresses, different types of protocols, their functions at each layer, and basic networking hardware and tools. Now, this all begins with communication. So, communication is the act of transferring data from sender across a distance to a receiver. It is act of transmitting the message. Right now also what I'm trying to do is communicating with you all. A network is a set of devices called as node which are connected by communication links. This all is possible right now because of computer networks. I am communicating with you all because of this computer network. What is a computer network then? Computer network is a system of interconnected computers and peripheral devices. What you mean by peripheral device? It may connect printers, scanners, cameras and other computers or other electronic devices. So again we quickly brush up that computer network is a system of interconnected computers and peripheral devices. Let's go further and find out what are the applications of computer network. Broadly they can be categorized into two domains: business application and home applications. Now everyone nowadays is very much aware of these applications. Quickly I will list out a few. Basic objective of computer network is sharing of resources. My dear students, sharing of resources is the main function of computer network. So all business applications like large organizations share resources. Those resources could be equipments, programs, data. Then they send emails, then they send reports to the other organizations. E-commerce is a big business application. Because of computer network it has been achieved. E-commerce is the business with the consumers over the internet. And in home applications the list goes on. You name the application, you name the work you are doing, and you find internet and the computer network everywhere. In education, right now also I've made this presentation, I am circulating with you that because we are fortunate that we have got good internet facility and network connection, that's why this is possible. So education, we have digital libraries, you can read books online, you can download books. There are different forums where you can post the queries, you can put up your question. There could be similar somebody who has also got the same query. There are people who are answering the queries. This is all possible because of computer networks. You do chatting with your friends. Entertainment is the application. In entertainment you watch movies, you download songs, so many things. So in short, we do file sharing, communication and collaboration, remote access and data protection. These are the few applications of computer network. Then we go further and see what is network architecture. The overall design of network that describes how a computer network is to be configured and what strategy to be used is called as network architecture. It can also be called as network model or network design. They are again, this network architecture is classified into two types of architecture: client server architecture and peer-to-peer, P2P. You can notice the diagram given on the slide. Peer-to-peer, you can see one server where there are number of clients, number of devices which are connected, that is a client server. And in peer-to-peer you can notice that there are many computers connected with each other. So in client server architecture, it is a computing model in which The server hosts, delivers and manages most of the resources and the services to be consumed by the client. This type of architecture has one or more client computers connected to a center server over a network or internet connection. And what is P2P? That is peer-to-peer. In peer-to-peer, here the computer systems which are connected to each other are via internet or some cablings. Files can be shared directly between the systems on the network without the need of any central server. So these are the two types of network architecture. Then we go further to transmission technology. In transmission technology, this refers to a way in which the devices can be connected. It refers to a way in which the devices can be connected. So there are basically two types in transmission technologies. One is point to point and another is broadcast. A point to point connection refers to a connection between two communication endpoints or nodes. And in broadcast, in computer networking, broadcasting refers to transmitting a packet. Packet means a data that will be received by every device on the network. So in point to point connection provides a dedicated line to devices, and in broadcast these have a single communication channel that is so we go further and we just go further and see what are the types of network. In types of network, these are categorized into local area network, LAN, metropolitan area network, MAN, wide area network, WAN. Now a very easy to understand, students, you had been to our lab. In our lab also there are computers which are connected to each other. There are two labs, right? So all the computers are connected. So that type of network is LAN network, local area network. So local area network is a group of computers connected with each other in a small place such as schools, hospitals, apartments. Okay, LAN is secure. LAN, due to this small size, in LAN the data gets transmitted faster. The speed can range up to 100 Mbps. So LAN is more convenient. I mean, in small areas where you have LAN, the data speed can be achieved. Then what is MAN? MAN is metropolitan area network. In this, various LANs are connected with each other through telephone lines. The size of metropolitan area network is larger than LAN and smaller than WAN, wide area network. Okay, a MAN covers the larger area of a city or a town, that is a metropolitan area network. So if there is a bank, and if let's say it's a cooperative bank, one branch is in here in Pune in Kothrud area and another is in, let's say, Sadashivpet area, so those are connected with metropolitan area network, that is MAN. Then we see further, that is WAN, wide area network. Wide area network provides long distance transmission of data. The size of WAN is larger than LAN and MAN. A WAN can cover a country or a continent or whole world. Internet connection is the example of WAN. So nowadays you have your mobile broadband connections such as 4G, now 5G. So all this is possible because of WAN. So this is all about a simple introductory lecture on computer networks. We quickly brush up the things again, summarize the things again that we listed. We saw what is the definition of computer network. Then we saw different architecture, network architecture. Then we saw transmission technology, that is point to point and broadcast. And then we saw types of networks. Hope you have understood all this. Thank you.